Do you want to learn how to save and invest your money wisely and stop throwing away thousands of dollars to the bank in interest? I'm going to show you how I just helped a client hack his mortgage to save more money on interest, pay his home off faster, and help him buy an investment property overseas. All doing this with one strategy, and it's called a first lien HELOC. This is by far the best loan that's out there in the marketplace today. So if you're shopping for a mortgage or looking to refinance, make sure to save this video and follow me because I'm going to teach you how to beat the bank. So my client wants to buy his retirement property overseas, but we also want to consolidate some debt because he's paying on a car loan as well as a camper loan, which he's got interest rates of about 6 or 7%. We're going to roll that into the mortgage, increase his cash flow, pay his home off faster, and help him retire sooner. Here's what we're doing with his mortgage. We're going to do a cash out refinance and refinance his home into this new loan balance of $445, which will include enough cash to pay for his condo overseas. He's going to consolidate his car payment as well as his camper payment. Just by consolidating the camper and the car alone will increase his net cash flow to himself of $1,200 a month. I'm going to compare this to a 6% mortgage today. His net income every month is $10,500. That's what's going to go into our checking account every month into our HELOC. We're going to pay all of our bills, and at the end of the month, he's got about $6,600 left over. Here's your current 30-year fixed at 6%, assuming you took it out to its full term, which we wouldn't do that in this case. Here's our HELOC. We're paying off that same $445,000 balance in 59 months, saving him $400,000 in interest. Again, this is comparing to a 6% mortgage. The big key with this guy is that he wants to retire within the next 5 years. So staying in a 30-year fixed mortgage, not going to help him out. This HELOC is going to help him pay off his home within that time frame, allow him to retire, and give him access to this line of credit. So when he moves overseas, he actually doesn't even need to sell his house. Average interest rate on what we're using to model this out is 8.3% on the HELOC. But because we're paying interest on a daily basis, we're only paying interest of $98,000, which gives us an effective rate of 1.3%. This strategy is so key for this guy because, one, he wants to retire, like I mentioned. Initially, he thought he was going to sell his property in order to take all of that cash, move overseas, and call it a day. However, with this strategy, I'm showing him he can keep his property, which would probably rent for about $3,500 a month. He would have access to that $445,000 line of credit. He's going to have absolutely no debt, and he doesn't even have to touch his retirement income yet. This is the beauty of understanding how to consolidate your debt, use the HELOC to get you to a faster retirement point, and use that line of credit to start buying more property. Instead of paying on 6% car loans, we just refinance that into the mortgage, and I just showed you his effective rate is nearly 1%. Banks and your average